Taurus, this is your channel messages for the 20th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Taurus, this is your... I'm drinking Pepsi, 5:42 in the morning. Oh, call is the sea tabernacle. This is your channel song. Na 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 oh, na 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 oh, na 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 oh, oh, trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep it just like before. The times we never ever gonna speak, don't wanna feel what it is. Oh, we found so serious, got me thinking this is too much. I just wanna set it off, but it's just one thing you got me tripping. It's just one thing you got me tripping. It is just one thing you do, so many. It's just one thing you do. Oh, 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 just one thing you got me slipping. It's just one thing you got me admitting. It is just one thing you do, so many. It's just one thing you do. Oh, 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 oh. Na 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 oh, na 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 oh, na 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 oh, oh na 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 na. It's A Marie, not A Barry, not B. Sorry, it's A Marie. Bitches. Okay, I'm getting Taurus. It's just one thing you got me tripping. It's just one thing you got me sipping. It is just one thing you so imminent. It's just one thing you do. Oh, oh, oh. So I'm getting all you need to do is one thing for Taurus. And they'll get you many things. And one thing is so imminent. I'm guessing it's just one thing. It's just one thing. 2 packs of sugar. It might have been 2 packs of sugar, but it's just one thing that got you tripping. So I'm getting, I don't know if you know the buttons that operate Taurus, or I'm getting, you know exactly what Taurus like. I don't know if you've been studying Taurus. I commend a man who wants to study their mate. I commend a woman who wants to study her mate as in detail as possible. Usually that's why you're usually in relationships. When you go in relationships and when you don't pick up no type of mannerisms, when you don't have a hint of what your partner is like. When you know it's your partner for 10 years, 5 years, what your partner like for though? What is your partner morning routine? How them stay? If your partner couldn't use them voice for one day, could you speak for your partner without any type of confusion? Because I don't know, my thing is one thing. Maybe it's the thing that you're sentimental. Maybe you always pay attention to people. You know somebody to a T. You take the time out for learn somebody. I'm getting that's the one thing why you got chosen above everybody else, Taurus. But yeah, you're in a relationship with girl for almost blood clot months and years. You don't know what the girl like. You don't know what she not like. You don't know what make her laugh. You don't know nothing about the girl. And you're wondering, where did we went wrong? The communication is blocked. Yeah, because you never take your time to learn nothing about the girl. You married a girl from Jamaica? You took the time to know nothing about the girl? No. You just see the girl is pretty. You know, so the Jamaican blog did mix very, very nice. And you know that Jamaican produce Birkin bags. So you married her. Did you take time to learn about our culture? You take time to learn about our history? You take the time to know how Jamaican people stay? No. You were just like, you know what is a girl? And you know what? Let's just get married. You meet this Indian girl, you know what, it's okay, she just lovely, let me just marry her. You take time for know her, for know what she like, for know what she don't like, for know how she like her bread toasted, like she eat butter or she eat mayonnaise. You take time to learn these little things about her, for study her and watch her. Because I'm getting, that's the one thing that made a difference when it comes down to someone's selection. Taurus. So let's go ahead and get your overall message, and then we are going to go into your reading. It's just that one thing, and I believe the one thing came from Venus. So you remember something sentimental about a Taurus, okay? This is your 5 cards spread. Let's go. What's your main card? Your main card is the King of Cups. Okay, so I'm getting a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio man. Yeah, I'm getting, I guess this is the one thing that he did that made a difference. I'm getting you wear your emotions on your sleeve. Now, the Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio is a main card. So you're dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio man. You're dealing with a very emotionally mature man, okay? Or the energy is just, the energy is very, like you're just watching. I'm getting you watch, you learn, you study. Let's see what's happening for your love. When it comes on to your love, we have the Six of Pentacles. So I'm getting you're not, okay, so you're a water sign. Usually how you say I love you, I like you, you use words. Now maybe your love language is gifts, where if you like somebody, you'll give them a little gift here and there. Because I'm getting you're using pentacles to express how you love. So it's like you're giving somebody, it's not a gift, but it's like you think about them. You went to the store, you bought something for them, you brought and you gave back to them. I'm getting your love life is a Six of Pentacles. Not that you're verbally expressing how you feel to the one you feel this way about. I'm getting you doing little nice things for them. You're helping them here and there. Hey, you want a piece of my this? Hey, you want one? I just bought this. I'm getting that's how you show your love. I'm getting you giving a Taurus something tangible. Maybe, yeah, Taurus love tangible things, even though you're a water sign. But I'm getting maybe I learned the love language of a Taurus. Because surely there are going to be other Tauruses who come to the Taurus and say, Taurus, I love you, I want to be with you, I want to start a family with you. But why is it that that don't captivate Taurus like something else? Because that is water, that's how water signs talk. That's how water signs the love and business. Taurus don't the love and business that way. Taurus the love and business via money, via where you get them in them hand. Because Taurus know that unless you love it, you're not going to spend on it. Taurus know that. They rule money. So you love, I mean, me getting is nothing romantic. It's more that you're trying to get someone's attention. What is your career and money? The Seven of, well, your career is non-existent right now, or I'm getting you don't want a Taurus for no way to for work. For some reason. Maybe that's why you haven't been emotionally vulnerable with him or her. You don't want them no way to for work. What is your health? Your health is a Four of Pentacles. You don't even want, okay, so me getting the reason why, so there's something about your health being tied in with your love. I don't know if you're depressed because you don't have love in your life. I don't know if you feel antisocial. Me getting the only type of socialness that you like to indulge in is going out with the person you love or going out with your girlfriend, your boyfriend. I don't feel like I had a girlfriend or boyfriend in years though. But me getting your health, you're not telling nobody about your health. And me getting your health is actually really bad. Maybe it's bad mentally. No, this could also be you're totally obsessed and you're captivated by somebody. You study them, you're obsessive over them, you watch them, you don't want them to know. So I'm getting that's why you're not talking a lot about your health. Your health is mostly mental, and it's mostly mental around this person. And again, your love is getting tied in with your health. And it's only pentacles. So this could be in order to protect yourself. You don't want a romantic relationship. You want an arrangement. You want a sugar baby, sugar daddy type of vibe. You want a discreet relationship with benefits type of vibe. Come getting you are water, but there's no water here. Your love is the Six of Pentacles. Your career and money, you don't want nobody to know. And me getting your health and your Four of Pentacles. So me getting that's how you protect yourself when it comes down to love. You don't talk about your job, plus you don't talk too much about emotions, but you will provide. Because I'm getting that's what you like to do. And let's see what's happening with your home life. The Queen, oh, so I see your wife here. Okay, so I'm getting you're married. Okay, so awkward. Okay, Taurus, it's just one thing. You got me tripping. So I'm getting you're a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio man. You're a woman is a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman. Apparently, you have been helping out this woman, but me getting you're not telling a woman how much money you have. You're not really telling, which I don't feel like you should tell the woman exactly how much money you have. You can't give her an idea. The only time you really are supposed to be talking about finances is when you're married, before you get married actually, or when you're living together. That's when you talk about finances. Otherwise, me getting the girl don't know how much money you really have, which is a good thing for you, okay? But I'm also getting you don't want to know how much money you have. Maybe because you want to spend money on somebody else. I'm kind of getting you want to cheat with a Taurus. Because the Six of Pentacles is Pentacles and your health is a Four of Pentacles. This is Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo energy. But me getting you there with a water sign already. She just don't really know where to feel work. Are me getting, no, the 6 of Pentacles and the 4 of Pentacles is the 10 of Pentacles. Me getting you have 2 wives. Me don't know if you have 2 wives. Me getting you have 1 wife already, you have a second woman. The second woman is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And me getting you spend fuck money on her. Maybe that's why you never let the girl know how much money you have. Cause me getting you both to spend a shitload of money on a Taurus. Me getting 10 of Pentacles. Me getting like, bro, somebody will spoil the shit out of you. That's all I can say. Alright? I guess that was the one thing that set them apart. I don't know. Maybe somebody like to spoil you and see you happy and seeing you, oh my God, you got this from me. Thank you so much. I don't know. Maybe somebody like the reaction of it that they don't get from the person they're with. Lying. Yeah, you're lying to your woman about how much money you have. You're also lying to her about who you like. I'm getting you like a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. No, 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 oh. 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 No, 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 her voices are places on the earth, the turkeys jiggling in my hand. High heels clicking towards the door. Oh, it's just one thing, you got me tripping. It's just one thing that's so imminent, it's just one thing you're so abstinent. It's just one thing you do. Oh, na 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 na. Oh, yeah, you're in love with one Taurus, and you're lying. Either you lied to me, don't know. I still wonder if Jada Kingdom did deny. And I can't figure it out yet. All the cause them me I read, I can't figure it out yet. But what I can figure out is you in love with a Hierophant. Taurus, this is your reading. So I'm getting, yeah, him have a girlfriend already. As a matter of fact, Taurus is melanated. And the King of Cups is white, Caucasian. The Queen of Cups is white, Caucasian. I'm getting, you're ready to spend some money for one Taurus. Maybe you get the Queen of Cups by emotionally attending to her, but you get the Taurus by spending on her. Because even though we all carry vaginas, the color of our vaginas make it different as to how easily accessible it is. You should know that. The Tower card, we're gonna have a Tower moment. We have program, I'm getting something is being reprogrammed for you. Third eye, one more. And we got MK Ultra. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.